In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly collapse all layers in Figma so you can keep your workspace organized and easier to navigate. Start by opening your Figma file and locating the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. If you're working in a large project, you'll likely have multiple expanded frames, groups, and nested layers that can make the panel difficult to manage. To collapse everything at once, look for the Collapse Layers icon at the top of the Layers panel. Click it once and Figma will automatically close all expanded frames and groups. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to do this even faster. Press Alt+L on Windows or Option+L on Mac to instantly collapse all layers in the current file. This is especially useful when working on complex projects, preparing files for teammates, or simply cleaning up your workspace. If your layers are already collapsed, you may not notice any visible changes, which is completely normal. Using this shortcut regularly can help you stay organized and find important layers much more quickly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to close all layers in Figma with one click. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.